Okie doke, it is math, pages 465 through 468 that we're doing. And we're starting a brand new chapter. This is chapter 21. Yay, party time. Okay, so you see a picture of a windmill. We have them right out there in our delta area. They're called turbines, and they are considered a farm. A wind farm right up there says it uses wind to make electricity. California has 3 of the largest wind farms in the world. That is crazy. But we all have a lot of wind out here, don't we? Up by our school and then out there, the Delta area. It says, what are some different ways in which 24 windmills can be arranged in equal rows, So what you're doing there is you're deciding what numbers can 24 be divided up evenly. So we'll start with 1. Okay, you can have one row of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Why'd they pick 24? So what would that be? That would be 1 times 24, right? Whoops. Equals 24. So you can have one row of 24. Can you have 2 rows and make it even? Can 24 be divided up by 2 evenly? Does 24 end with an even number? A 4, 2, 4. I can't do that. Yeah, so it would look like this. We'd have 2 rows, right? So go 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24. So you can have 2 rows of what? 12. So 2 times 12 equals 24. Oh boy, oh boy, oh boy. I'm gonna have to kick myself off of this allergy medication. So, can 24 be divided up evenly by 3? If you count by 3s, could you get to 24? 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, wheels go round and round. 18, 21, 24. You can, can't you? So you can have 3 rows. So let's count by 3s. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24. So you can have 3 rows of, I knew that, 3 rows of 8. So that would be 3 times 8 equals 24. Can 24, so we've got 1, 2, 3. It's divisible by 1, 2, and 3. How about if we counted by 4s, would we get to 24? 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24. Well, that works. Let's try 4 rows. So it'll be, there's 4 rows. 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24. That equals 24. 4 rows of 6. So that would be 4 times 6. Okay, how about 5? This is 24 divisible by 5. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. Nope, went over it. How about 6? Yep, you could just turn around backwards. You could have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 rows of 4, right? Because we know that multiplication can go in any direction. How about 7? 7 14, 21. No, it wouldn't be 28. Hush. Okay, not 7. How about 8? Yeah, you can have 8 rows. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 rows of 3, right? So you can have 8 rows of 3. You can have 6 rows of 4. How about, can you have 12 rows of 2? Yes, you can. How about 9? Nope. 10, 10, 20, 30, nope. 2 rows of 12. 11, nope. 12. You can have 12 rows. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 rows of 2. Right? 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24. So you can have 12 rows. Oh my goodness, sorry. 12 rows of 2. I do not know what's going on now. Can you have 24 rows of 1? Yes, but you don't want me to draw that, do you? So you can take this and go whoosh, that way. So look at all the different combinations you can have to make 24. Okay, I'm exhausted. So look at page 466. This is a show what you know. So that's what you need to do. You're going to draw 4 groups. You're going to put 2 dots in each group. And you're going to count by 2s. 2, 4, 6, 8. And then what's your multiplication sentence? If you've been following along, it's 4 groups times 2, right? Equals. So do the show what you know by yourself, because we are embarking into new territory. This territory eventually will be called division. Right now, they do use the word divide. So they're making you familiar with that. Excuse me. Stop. Go. Could be a cat. Go. Go. Go outside. Go outside. You never know what might happen over here, huh? When you're at home. Just can't control everything. All right. So, here we go. Something new. Okay. Let's just go right on down to number 2. Okay, we're going to kind of skip. You can go back and read that carefully and see exactly what they're doing. But you've got me. So for number 2, it says divide, not multiply, 8 into 2 equal groups. Well, let's say you've got 8 here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. You've got 8 marbles. And you're going to share them with 2 friends, 2 groups. So draw your 2 groups. Okay? You're dividing it into 2 equal groups. Are you just going to start going 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8? 1, 2, 3, 4. No, you only have 8. So this one will go here. This one will go here. We're dividing, just like my friend used to have me spend the night when I was a kid. She would make tater tots. And she'd bring out the tray of tater tots, because we love tater tots. And she'd say, 1 for you, 1 for me, 1 for you, 1 for me. And we would divide up the tater tots. But it seemed like there was always 1 extra hot, crispy, juicy tater tot. And she had already given me 1, her 1, me another 1, her another 1, me another 1, her another 1. It would go on because we loved them. Then all of a sudden there'd be 1 tater tot left over. If she gave it to me, I'd have 5 and she'd only have 4. If she gave it to herself, she would have 5 and I'd only have 4. It wouldn't be even, right? So you know what she did? You know what that person did? And I still talk to her to this day. She threw that thing in her mouth There she is with her big eyeball. And she sucked that thing down. She says, there we go, now we're even. Okay. Couldn't fool me, I knew we weren't even. But anyway, so we are pretending we are dividing up tater tots at a sleepover. And so you go back and forth until you have run out of tater tots. So it says how many are in each group. If you took 8 and you divided into 2 equal groups, there are 4 in each group, right? I'm going to show you something a little bit ahead of time. Go like this. Draw an 8, do a dot, a line, and a dot. And then do a 2, and then do equal, and then do 4. That is a division sentence. It says 8 divided by 2 equals 4. It means 8 divided up into 2 groups will give you 4 in each group. That's basically what it means. 8 divided by 2 groups is 4 in each group. So that's what we just did. So go to number 3. And it says divide 6 into 3 equal groups. So how many groups do we draw? 3. And because we are extra smart, let's do this. 6 tater tots all together into 3 groups divided by 3. Okay, we'll see what happens. 6 divided by 3. We can't go 1, 2, 3. No, we gotta go 1, 2, 3. Now back to you. 4, 5, 6. We ran out. We got to the 6, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 6 divided equally among 3 people would be each person gets 2 tater tots, right? 2 in each group. 2 each. Okay, so I'll draw, whoops, just because I've got tater tots on the brain. So we've got 6 crispy, crunchy, hot, dipped in ketchup, of course. Okay, 6 tater tots divided up among 3 people. Means each person gets 2 tater tots. Okay, let's look at number 4. Now we have 12 tater tots into 3 equal groups. So you still make your 3 equal groups. But what do we have now? We have 12 tater tots divided up amongst 3 people. How many tater tots will each person get? We have to start dividing up to 12 until we run out. So ready? 1, I know you're drawing 2, 2, 3, we haven't run out yet, 4, 5, 6, we've only gone through half our tater tots, 7, 8, 9, we've got more, 10, 11, 12, no more tater tots, we made it to 12. Each person gets how many tater tots? 4. So let's read this. 12 divided by 3, 12 divided by 3 people equals 4. 4 each, okay? So look at the next page. That is what you'll be doing there. But why don't you go ahead, I'm gonna find my spray bottle, where'd it go? Why don't you go ahead and, where'd it go? Can you guys see it? Oh, there it is. Why don't you go ahead and solve the problems. Pause the video. I trust you, I believe you, because you guys are honest. Go ahead and pause the video and do page 468, because I can't stand here and wait for you to get it done. That would be ridiculous. So go ahead and pause. Do that page. Then unpause me, bring me back. And we'll just quickly go through and check our answers, okay? You don't learn anything if you only copy down answers, right? Go ahead and do it yourself. If you make a mistake, you can always change your answer or just not worry about it and just learn from it, okay? Either way, I won't be mad at you. So go ahead and do that. See you later. Oh no. I got pink on my carpet. All right, welcome back. Let's see how you did. So, for number 2, did you draw 5 groups? And did you put 10? 10 altogether. You had 10. Did you go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10? Is that what your picture looks like? I hope so, because 10 divided equally into 5 groups will equal what? 2 in each group. So give yourself a smiley face if you got number 2 correctly. Number 3, you had to divide 12 tater tots into 2 groups. So you only had 2 people sharing. You had 12. Is this what your picture looks like? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. You go back and forth. We ran out. Did you have 6 in each? That would be the correct answer. Very good. Okay, number 4 says divide 15 amongst 3. So 3 groups get 15. 1, 2, 3. You got to keep dividing it up. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Is that what you got? Good. So there should have been 5 in each. Let me show you how division and multiplication are related. This is 12 divided into 3 groups. 1, 2, 3, 12 altogether, divided into 3 groups equals 5 in each, right? What if I took 3 and I multiplied it by 5? Excuse me. I copied it wrong. If I had 3 and I multiplied it by 5, 15 divided by 3, yes. If I had 3 groups of 5 in each, what would I get? 15. You're right. Okay, 5 divided by 3, 15 divided by 3 is 5. 3 times 5 is 15. That's how they're related, okay? Alrighty, I need a nap, Number 5, you got 16. I'm gonna make a note to myself. 16, and you're gonna do 4 groups. So 1, 2, 3, 4. You already did this, I know. 16. Did you go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. We ran out. So what did you get? 16 divided equally among 4 groups would give you 1, 2, 3, 4 in each group. The multiplication sentence is 4 times 4 equals 16. Okay, cool, huh? Okay, number 6. Let's see what you got. You were to divide 18 into 6 equal groups. So you had to draw 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You have 18 that gets divided up evenly. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. What have we got there? How many in each group? 3 was your answer. Now let's do the extra. We've got 18, let's pretend they're tater tots, divided up amongst 6 people. Each person will get 3. Let's look at this. What is 3 times 6? 3 6s are 18. What is 6 times 3? Which is what we have here. 6 times, we have a 3. That equals 18 also, right? 6 3s is 18. Great. It says Mrs. Peters divides 6 orange slices between 2 plates. She wants to have 4 orange slices on each plate. How many more? Because we know that 2 times 4 equals 8, right? But she only has 6. So, did you figure that out? Raise your hand. How many of you figured that one out by yourself? Only 4 of you? Okay, well, let's see. What happened? What happened? Why only 4 of you guys? Why not everybody? I don't know. Let's see. Okay, so what your picture should look like is you've got 2 plates. Did you draw 2 plates? Good. And you are going to have 6 orange slices. Okay, let's make them 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 orange slices. And you're going to divide them up evenly, but you want 4 on each plate. How many more are you going to need? So we're going to go 1, there, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh boy, you ran out. We only have 3 on each plate. How many more orange slices did you need? Only 1? Remember, you got 2 plates. You need 1 here, and you need 1 here. How many is that? 2, right? How many of you got that? 5 of you, wow. Okay, great. Well, that ends the math for now, but you can do happy numbers. It has a lot of neat things, and you can just keep on going and get more advanced as you want to, okay? So next we are going to be reading chapter 9, I believe it is, in Little House in the Big Woods. So you can get your book out and get it ready when you're done, okay? Talk to you later.